Hey Pyros, this is K.
And this is B.
From KB Pyros. And today we thought we'd do something fun since it's basketball tournament season. We thought we'd hold our own type of tournament. So welcome to the 2022 Canister Shell Weigh-In Tournament. We have a total of 28 different shells in our collection for this year's 4th of July stash. We created a bracket and we'll shortly be randomly picking shells that will be going head-to-head with each other. The rules are as follows. The first 4 shells will automatically get a bye to the second round. The next shells will fill in the bracket in numerical order. In the first round, it'll be a 1 versus 1 shell comparison. In the second round, it'll be a 2 versus 2 shell comparison. Third round, 3 versus 3. Fourth round, 4 versus 4, and the championship round will be a 5 versus 5 shell comparison. So let's get started. Now we're going to select the first 4 canister shells that are going to get a bye to the second round.
Death Punisher by Kripton Fireworks. Faces of Death by Dragon Slayer. Diablo by Black Cat. Five-Inch Ghost by Heavyweight Fireworks.
Now we're going to be drawing 2 names at a time to see who will go head-to-head in the first round.
Excalibur by World Class. And Sniper Fire by Raccoon. Neon Beef by Winda. And Neon Skies by Raccoon. Color Rush by Keystone Fireworks. And Supernova by Raccoon. Triumph by Red Apple. And G-Force by Winda. Five-Inch Neon by Certified Black Label. And Sky Overlord by Red Lantern. Ghostacular by Raccoon. Neon Rage by Megabanger. Pyro Alienware by Boomwow. Raging Bull by Maddox. Echo in the Ear by Winda. And Black Rose by Spirit Fireworks. Kingslayer by Dominator. And 5-Inch Nishiki Blast by Raccoon. Hellcat by Sky Bacon. Lock and Load by Barely Legal. Extra large 5-inch by Raccoon. And Donut Shells by Winda. 5-inch Nishiki by Heavyweight. And 6-inch King Dragon by Raccoon.
So that's all the shells. We'll get the bracket filled out, and we'll get the comparison and the tournament started shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for the next video for round 1 of the tournament, and comment down below who you think is going to win and weigh the most of all the canister shells.